Good evening, class 8, 9, 10. Especially coordinate geometry निर्देशांक ज्यामिति in Nepali coordinate for beginners part 1. First of all, coordinate geometry चाहिँ विद्यार्थीहरूलाई अलिकति गाह्रो जस्तो महसुस गरेका छन्. Some of the students find it difficult in solving coordinate geometry. See, first of all, thanks. We have to thank Mr. René Descartes, a French mathematician. René Descartes, who was the founder of modern coordinate geometry. René Descartes. The main aim of the coordinate geometry. Before starting coordinate geometry, first of all, I draw the coordinate axis. First of all, then direction. First of all, this one, x-axis, y-axis. First thing is, this is x o x dash y o y dash. X-axis and y-axis. First thing is you have to know first x-axis and y-axis. Draw. This is called x o x dash. X axis or a b s c i s s a abscissa. X axis or abscissa. This is called y axis or ordinate. Y axis or ordinate. See, x axis and y axis. First thing. And another, this one is 0 0 0 0 origin. This is 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 0 5 0 6 0 etc. How to denote? 1 0 2 0 3 0. In this way it goes on. Here up 0 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 etc. And down 0 minus 1 0 minus 2 0 minus 3 0 minus 4. And left side minus 1 0 minus 2 0 minus 3 0. In this way, see, 0 0 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 0 5 0 goes on increasing. Up 0 1 on the x-axis y equals 0, on the y-axis x equals 0. First thing, 0 1 0 2 0 3 0 4 coordinates on the y-axis. Down 0 minus 1 0 minus 2 0 minus 3 0 minus 4. And left 0 0 minus 1 0 minus 2 0 minus 3 0 and so on. First thing. And another thing is, you have to know that in any order pair and order pair, first of all, ordered pair is denoted by small bracket x, y. X and y within included by small bracket order pair, and you cannot change yx order pair. See, on the x-axis, what is 0? On the x-axis, it is denoted by x comma 0. On the y-axis, the any coordinate is 0 y. O x x dash y dash x. First thing. And another, first thing, all positive. First quadrant plus plus. Second quadrant minus plus. Third quadrant, any coordinate is minus minus. Fourth quadrant plus and minus. Plus minus. How to know? Right side plus, up plus, left minus, डाउन माइनस राइट ह्यान्डपट्टि प्लस हुन्छ अप प्लस हुन्छ सो प्लस प्लस लेफ्टमा लेफ्ट एन्ड अप माइनस प्लस थर्ड क्वाड्रन्ट लेफ्ट एन्ड डाउन माइनस माइनस फोर्थ क्वाड्रन्ट plus minus. The quadrant is called the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Here I have just written the short form. First quadrant plus plus, second quadrant minus plus, third minus minus, and fourth quadrant plus minus. After knowing this, the main aim of the coordinate geometry is, what are the main objectives? Main objectives of coordinate geometry. Number one, main objective किन पढ्यो त coordinate geometry को main aim भनेको to find length or distance between any 2 points. One. Another, to find directions or locations. That is called GPS system, global positioning system. Another, to find equations of circles, straight lines, etc. Main aims to find length or distance, to find directions or locations, and to find equations. The coordinate geometry is very important for these reasons. If you want to start from the basic level, from class 8, you have to know, first thing is distance formula. Distance between any 2 points x1 y1 is equal to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Suppose there are 2 points a x1 y1, b x2 y2. The distance between them is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. It is very similar to Pythagoras theorem. Under root a is equal under root p square plus e square. You can prove it, but here for the sake of convenience, I have just written the formula. Class 8 ma distance between 2 points निकाल्नको लागि प्रयोग हुन्छ. Another section formula. Part 1 भनेको क्लास 8 र स्पेशली 8 and 9 को लागि म लिन्छु. सेक्सन फर्मुलामा इन्टरनल डिभिजन एउटा पोइन्ट छ. ax1 y1 is 1 point, pxy is a point, bx2 y2 is x1 y1 and x2 y2 are 2 points. P divides AP internally in the ratio of m1 by m2, or it may be m upon n. What is the coordinate of the dividing point? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Technique 1 2 to 1. m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma y coordinate m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is internal division plus external division. It is important for class 8 and 9 generally. For all internal external division बाहिरपट्टिबाट. See, A is 1 point x1 y1, B x2 y2, another point P xy, P P divides AB externally in the ratio of AP by BP. What is the coordinate of P? X, Y, external division M1 X2 minus M2 X1 by M1 minus M2 upon M1 Y2 minus M2 Y1 by M1 minus M2. See, internal division plus external division instead of plus को ठाउँमा minus लेख्ने. External division M1 X2 minus M2 X1 upon M1 minus M2, comma M1 Y2 minus M2 Y1 by M1 minus M2 of external division. Distance formula, section formula, external division, internal division. Now, midpoint formula. Midpoint formula. The midpoint of what? Of x1, y1 and x2, y2. What is the midpoint? Equal x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Suppose m1 equal 1, m2 equal 1, m1 upon m2 equal 1, 1 गरौँ. x1 plus x2 by 2, just like the average a plus b by 2, v plus u by 2, जस्तै average velocity v plus u by 2, just like x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Midpoint, see, midpoint a b, midpoint, see, notation. Another centroid formula. First of all, let me draw a centroid. What do you mean by centroid? Centroid ABC is a triangle. Coordinate x1, y1, p, x2, y2, x3, y3. Coordinate ABC, D, E, F. AE, PF and CD are medians. So centroid means the point of intersection of all the medians. Point of intersection of all the medians. What is the formula of centroid? XY, whose coordinates are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Coordinates of the vertices. x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Just like x1 plus x2, दुईटा हुँदा x1 plus x2 plus x3, x sum of the x coordinates by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, sum of the y coordinates upon 3. X coordinates सबै जोड्ने, divide by 3. Y coordinates सबै जोड्ने, divide by 3. Midpoint formula, centroid formula. Then, in coordinate geometry, you should know slope also. But before this, area of a triangle with vertices. Suppose A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3. How to? Suppose you forget the formula. बिर्स्यो भने कसरी गर्ने त भन्दा इक्वल पहिला हाफ लेखौँ, कोअर्डिनेट अफ A यसरी लेख्ने x1 y1 यहाँ लेखौँ, x2 y2 x3 y3 लेख्ने. फर्स्ट is repeated x1 y1 लाई यहाँ रिपिट गर्ने. x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 and x1 y1 repeat. यता अब राइट लेफ्ट अप राइट डाउन यहाँबाट यसरी लाने यस्तो किसिमले. हाउ टु ड्र यो चाहिँ प्लस हुन्छ x1 y2 माइनस x2 y1 x1 y2 यसरी जाँदा माइनस x2 y1 फेरि यता प्लस x2 y3 माइनस x3 y2 प्लस अब यो यसरी x3 y1 माइनस x1 y3 यस्तो फेरि यता x1 y2 माइनस x2 y1 प्लस x2 y3 माइनस x3 y2 प्लस x3 y1 माइनस x1 y3 यो भयो एरिया अफ अ ट्रायंगल स्लोप नेपाली झुका द लाइनले एक्स एक्सिससँग पोजिटिभ एक्स एक्सिससँग बनाएको एङ्गलको टेन्जेन्ट व्हाट डू मीन बाय स्लोप मेनी स्टुडेन्ट्स आर कन्फ्युज व्हाट डू मीन बाय स्लोप फर्स्ट अफ लेट मी ड्र एक्स एक्सिस सी स्लोप another slope now you got the idea कुनै पनि स्ट्रेट लाइनले एक्स एक्सिससँग बनाएको एङ्गलको टेन्जेन्टलाई स्लोप भनिन्छ पोजिटिभ डिरेक्सन यसलाई भन्छ हामी यसलाई भन्छ यस्तोलाई पोजिटिभ डिरेक्सन इज कल्ड पोजिटिभ डिरेक्सन नट नेगेटिभ यसरी आउँछ पोजिटिभ डिरेक्सन एन्टी क्लकवाइज व्हाट डू मीन अ स्लोप द टेन्जेन्ट denoted by m or tan theta tangent the slope of a straight line is the tangent of the angle made by the straight line with the positive x axis positive x axis सँग बनाएको एङ्गलको tan theta what is the formula is m or tan theta equal y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 for 2 points. Suppose 2 points are x1 y1. Suppose I will draw one diagram. x1 y1 and x2 y2 are any 2 points. What is the formula? Slope formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. यस्तो हुन्छ स्लोप फर 2 points if 2 points are given x1 y1 x2 y2 दिएमा स्लोप हुन्छ y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 अब स्ट्रेट लाइन if it is given straight line the slope of a straight line slope m of a straight line. Suppose the straight line is ax plus by plus c equal 0. What is the slope of the line? The slope of the line is slope m equal minus x coefficient upon y coefficient. But in this case minus a upon b पहिला के लेख्ने माइनस लेख्ने अगाडि अनि x कोएफिसिएन्ट अपन y कोएफिसिएन्ट लेख्ने यो चाहिँ of the straight line ax plus by plus c equal 0. Another 5 standard forms of a straight line. There is a straight line. You have to know the 5 standard forms. Number 1, slope intercept form. Slope intercept form. What is a slope intercept? See, slope banale. There is a line theta. Slope intercept form y equal mx plus c, where m is the slope and c is the y intercept. यहाँ यहाँसम्म c कोऑर्डिनेट 0 c यो भयो यसको m, where m means slope, c means y intercept. Here intercept means length of the point distance of the point from the origin. ओरिजिनबाट स्ट्रेट लाइनले y एक्सिसलाई जहाँ काटेको छ त्यो डिस्टेन्सलाई भनिन्छ y इन्टरसेप्ट. स्लोप tan theta tangent of the angle made by the straight line with the positive x axis. यो एउटा भयो स्लोप इन्टरसेप्ट फ्रम y equal mx plus c. First, and another slope intercept form. Second one is double intercept form. What is the double intercept form? A straight line crosses the x-axis at a0, y-axis at b0b, x o x dash, y o y dash. What is the formula? You can prove it. The equation of the straight line AB is x by a plus y by b equal 1, where a means this one, the distance of a from the origin O. B, this is b, the distance of the point B on y axis from the origin O. Origin O बाट x axis मा काटेको point A सम्मको डिस्टेन्स जुन छ OA त्यो चाहिँ x इन्टरसेप्ट O बाट B सम्मको डिस्टेन्सलाई भनिन्छ y इन्टरसेप्ट. Where x by a plus y by b equal 1, where a, small a means OA, that is x intercept. X intercept OA equal small a, and small b means OB, y intercept. X by a plus y by b equal 1. This is the x intercept, this is the y intercept, double intercept or two intercept form. Another is perpendicular form. See, let me draw the diagram. X-axis, straight line, perpendicular drawn from the origin on the line small p, and the perpendicular makes an angle of alpha with the line. The perpendicular makes an angle alpha with the positive x-axis alpha. This is theta. Remember, this is theta. This is slope. यो लाइनले x axis सँग बनाएको चाहिँ स्लोप हुन्छ. परपेन्डिकुलरले x axis सँग बनाएको एंगललाई चाहिँ अल्फा भनिन्छ. O सपोज यसको नाममा r भनौं. o r चाहिँ लेंथ अफ परपेन्डिकुलर. व्हाट इज द परपेन्डिकुलर फर्म? x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal p. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal p. Where? What do you mean by p? P means length of the perpendicular. Length of the perpendicular on the line from the origin O00. And what do you mean alpha then? What do you mean alpha? Alpha equal angle made by the perpendicular with the positive x-axis. Perpendicularly positive x-axis मा बनाएकोलाई हामी भन्छौं alpha. अब यसरी आयो, suppose the line is this way, यसरी आयो भने यस्तो positive x-axis. This is alpha, perpendicular p. Length of perpendicular p, angle made by the perpendicular with the x-axis, positive x-axis, positive direction of x-axis, alpha, not theta. यसरी p for perpendicular, length of perpendicular, alpha for angle made by the perpendicular with the positive x-axis. Perpendicular form. Now two more forms. ABC, D, double point form or single point form called point slope form. What is the point slope form? Y minus y1 equal m x minus x1, where m is the slope and x1 y1 are the points. M slope where and x1 y1 are the is the point. Point x1 y1 slope m. D, double point, not double intercept, don't be confused. Double points or 2 points form. Suppose there are any 2 points A x1 y1 b x2 y2. What is the double point form? If 2 points are given, A x1 y1 b x2 y2 are given, double points or 2 points formula is similar. Y minus y1 equal, instead of m, write y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Double point form, y minus y1 equal y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. 5 standard forms. Now for class 10, angle. Now angle theta between two lines. There are two lines. Suppose two lines are y equal m1 x plus c1 and y equal m2 x plus c2. The two lines are there. So you can draw two lines. One is y equal m1 x plus c1 theta 1. Another line is y equal m2 x plus c2 made by theta 2. And angle between them is theta. And what is the formula? Angle between two lines is given by angle theta between two lines, y equal m1 x plus c1 and y equal m2 x plus c2 is given by tan theta equal plus minus. It may be plus, positive or negative. m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Tan theta plus minus m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. This is the formula. Tan theta. And perpendicularity and parallelism. The two lines are parallel if parallelism is m1 equal m2 when theta equal 0 degree. When theta equal 0 degree, tan theta equal tan 0 degree equal 0. So 0 equal cross multiplying m1 minus m2 equal 0. It means m1 equal m2. If two lines are parallel, the slopes are equal. What does it mean? If slopes are equal, two lines are parallel. If two lines are parallel, slopes are equal. Two lines parallel hunda slope equal and slope equal hunda parallel. Slopes are equal. If slopes are equal, they are parallel. If lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. Perpendicular, parallelism. What is the perpendicularity? What is the condition of perpendicularity? Perpendicularity condition, theta equal 90 degree. For two lines to be perpendicular, the angle between two lines is 90 degree. Tan theta tan 90 degree means sin 90 by cos 90, 1 by 0. यसो गर्दा 1 यसो क्रस मल्टिप्लाई गरौँ 1 plus m1 m2 equal 1 plus m1 m2 equal 0 यसरी, because tan 90 degree equal 1 by 0, sin 90 by cos 90, or m1 m2 equal minus 1. If m1 m2 equal minus 1, the lines are perpendicular. If two lines are perpendicular, the product of the slopes is -1. If slopes are equal, the lines are parallel. If the product of the slopes is -1, the lines are perpendicular. And if two lines are perpendicular, the product of the slopes is -1. दुईटा लाइन प्यारलल छ भने स्लोप इक्वल छ भने प्यारलल. टू लाइन्स परपेंडिकुलर छ भने m1 m2 इक्वल -1, प्रोडक्ट अफ द स्लोप्स -1 हुन्छ. तर प्रोडक्ट अफ द स्लोप्स -1 भएमा यो दुईटा लाइन परपेंडिकुलर हुन्छ. सिंगल इक्वेसन, लिनियर इक्वेसन. And last for today is homogeneous equation. Homogeneous equation. Or in homogeneous equation, the equation in the square form, ax square. Homogeneous equation, ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equals 0 is the homogeneous. Homogeneous means single. Homogeneous means single with power of x and y 2. x र y को पावर, x को पावर 2 x स्क्वायर y स्क्वायर र यसमा xy भएको. यसमा हेरौँ त यो पावर कति छ, यहाँ 2 छ. x 1 + 1 2 छ. डिग्री 2. It is called second degree equation. It is also called second degree equation. First degree equation, linear. Second degree equation, homogeneous or single equation. What is the angle between them? The angle theta between the lines represented. Between the lines, that means it represents two straight lines represented by ax square plus twice hxy plus by square equals 0 is, what is the angle between them? Given by tan theta equal plus minus 2 upon a plus b under root h square minus ab, or plus minus 2 under root h square minus ab by a plus b. Perpendicularly parallel condition, parallelism. Just like m1 equal m2, here parallelism is h square equal ab because theta equal 0 degree. Parallelism or collinear or coincident, h square equal ab. Another perpendicularity. It is also called orthogonal. What is the orthogonality? A plus b equals 0 because theta equal 90 degree. Tan theta, tan 90 degree 1/0 or infinite. A plus b denominator 0 भएमा perpendicular हुन्छ. In the homogeneous equation or second degree equation, if two lines are parallel, then h square equal ab. Parallel or coincident भएमा h square equal ab हुन्छ. If h square equal ab, then the two lines are parallel. If two lines are parallel, h square equal ab. Again, perpendicularity. If two lines are perpendicular, then a plus b equal 0. If a plus b equals 0, the two lines are perpendicular. नेपालीमा दुईटा लाइन्स प्यारलल हुँदा h स्क्वायर इक्वल ab हुन्छ, h स्क्वायर इक्वल ab हुँदा प्यारलल हुन्छ. दुईटा लाइन्स परपेंडिकुलर छन् भने अथवा परपेंडिकुलरको अर्को नाम हो अर्थोगोनल. नेपालीमा लम्ब भनेर बुझ्नु होला. लम्ब भनेको यस्तो 90 डिग्री बनाउने. नेपालीमा लम्ब, अर्थोगोनल और परपेंडिकुलर. सिनोनिम फर परपेंडिकुलर, अर्थोगोनल. परपेंडिकुलर छन् भने इफ दुईटा लाइन्स परपेंडिकुलर भएमा a plus b equal 0, a plus b equal 0 भएमा perpendicular. See, parallelism h square equal to b. Perpendicularity a plus b equal 0. And next time I will solve the equation of circles for class 10. Class 10 को लागि equation of circle अर्को दिन गर्ने छौं. यो for class 8 and 9. If you have any problem, please comment. Here, please comment. If you have any questions, please comment. Thank you.